Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add and utilize certificate templates. Certificate templates are effective if you manage multiple staff members who require the same standard qualifications. They save time and reduce manual entry. To begin, navigate to the Templates tab, then select the Certificates sub-tab. Click the plus template button to start. First, you will need to select the document type. There are three options. The certificate is a standard, general qualification document. The aircraft maintenance license is a CAA-issued license. The certification authorization is a company-given authorization to a staff member giving the authority to sign off on specific maintenance tasks or release an aircraft to service. It is important to note that the last two options are directly tied to your workflow. A staff member's aircraft maintenance license and certification authorization details will automatically appear on the finalized work order or maintenance tech log. Next, you can optionally select the license category and subcategory. These fields, along with your user groups, are managed within the settings menu by clicking the blue button. Give a clear name for the template and fill in any other necessary data. Let's create a few quick examples to demonstrate. Just like other templates in Wingops, it includes a Files Notes tab for attaching reference documents and an Activity tab that logs any changes made to the template. Now that our templates are built, let's look at how to efficiently apply them. Navigate to the Staff tab and select the specific team member you want to update. Go to their Individual Certificates tab. Hover over the plus certificate button. While you can create a new certificate from scratch here, click Select Template to use the ones we just did. From the menu, simply select all the relevant templates you wish to assign to this person. If you need to make adjustments to a certificate for this specific employee, such as adding a unique certification number or an issue date, you can do so by clicking the Edit button. These personal adjustments will not affect your master template. From this same view, you can also delete a certificate entirely if it is no longer applicable or was inserted by mistake. Thank you for watching.